to remove your payment method on your iPhone? Hey there, here is how you can solve the unable to remove payment method. There is an active subscription error on iPhone. To solve this issue, try only 2 quick steps. So let's get started. Process 1. Cancel active subscription. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, tap Subscription. Now select the app that you want to cancel the subscription. Tap Cancel Subscription. Process 2. Change country. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, tap Media and Purchases, tap View Account, tap Country or Region, tap Change Country or Region. Select your country. If you are already selecting your country already, please try to choose any other country. There you are. Before you check, please try to restart your iPhone. Also, try to have a strong internet connection. After that, your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have issues, please tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.